Thank you for joining us again. Our last video completed the netlist of our design. This portion of the tutorial will focus on the PCB design with OrCAD PCB Editor. We are going to use the design workflow on the left of the screen to complete our PCB design. If this window is not visible, select Display, Windows, Design Workflow. Select Setup from the Design Workflow. First, we will set up our design parameters. Here you can set parameters for your display, design, text, shapes, routing, and manufacturing. I'm going to set the units of this design to millimeters. Next, we are going to set up the grid spacing. This will determine the accuracy in which we can place our components. I'm going to change the spacing to 1 in the X and Y directions. You can also set the colors for your design. I'm going to leave the defaults. Close the setup portion of the workflow and open Database Preparation. Select Board Outline and Automatically. Make sure the command operation is set to create. I'm going to set the design edge clearance to 0.3 millimeters. You can select to draw a rectangle or a polygon. If you know the dimensions you want the board to be, select Place Rectangle and add your dimensions. Place your rectangle and click OK. Your board outline is now completed. Next, we are going to add another layer to the stack-up. You can add or change information regarding your stack-up here, including layer function, thickness, and material. Right-click to add a layer. Choose Plane and click OK. This has added the plane and dielectric layer. Click the text or right-click to rename the layer. I'm going to rename the layer to Power Plane. Click OK. If you did not select the option to create a new PCB when netlisting, choose Netlist and Import. Select Design Entry CIS and set the import directory as a folder location of your netlist. Our netlist is already imported, so I will close this screen. In the next video, we will cover how to create a mechanical symbol and place it in your PCB.